Good evening, everyone. You're watching CIMAGE online classes, and I'm Sanjana Sinha. Today, I'm taking up prepositions of time. Very tricky, very peppy, but then you must know when, where, and how to use it. Dealing with time. The words are at, in, and on. So first, we're taking up at. How and when will you be using at? So when you're talking about time, at 9, at 10, at 11, at 1, always use at. For example, my class starts at 9. I have breakfast at 8. $12 noon time. I will be in a meeting at noon. At midnight means 12 in the night. Midnight. The show finished at midnight. At the 11th hour, it means in the end. The doctor came at the 11th hour. Last. At last, I found the missing purse. At last. At night. I will watch a movie at night. Breakfast. You are invited at breakfast. Lunch. At lunch, I will meet you. I will meet you at lunch. Dawn is an expression for very early morning. At dawn. See the rising sun at dawn. Dusk, evening time. He came home at dusk. First. At first, settle down. Then we can talk. So this was at. In the time frame, in. Now, when you're talking about months, like in January, in the year 2020, your birthday can be in January, but when you're talking about the date, it will be on. So for months, we use in. In January, in February, in March, in April, in the year 2020, 2023, in the century, of course, in a decade, it means a period of 10 years. In the morning. Now get this straight. In the morning, in the evening, but at night. In the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon, but at night. And of course, on weekends, on weekends, on weekdays, on special occasions, we use on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Thursday, on Friday, on Saturday. And special occasion, on my birthday, on Diwali, on holidays, on festivals, on Christmas Eve, like 21st, 24th of December, we use on. So make sentences with on, make sentences with in. In January, I'll take a vacation. In the year 2023, we went and stayed for a long time in Delhi. In the century, you can talk about many things. What happens in the century? A period of 100 years. in a decade. You will see a lot of changes in a decade. In the morning. It's always good to get up in the morning. In the afternoon, we are pretty busy attending classes, arranging classes, conducting classes. Evening time is free time. So in the evening, I'd like to stay at home. On Monday, you have a test on Monday. On Tuesday, you're relaxing. Maybe it's a holiday. On special occasions, on your birthday, you are invited. You can invite someone. On holidays, for Chhat Puja holidays, for Durga Puja holidays, always use on. For festivals, of course. On Christmas Eve, lots happening. Now, Christmas Eve means a day before Christmas. So this was at, on, and in for prepositions. Though a very vast chapter, but then this was the framing of time. At, in, and on. In the next class, we'll be dealing with prepositions of place, at, on, and in. And in. Till then, stay connected, keep watching. And that's all for now.